What's up, YouTube? My name is Monique, MzMo to you. I am going to be doing a cooking vlog on today. I am going to be making cabbage with onions and peppers with smoked turkey. I think it's smoked turkey wings. So I am going to start prepping my cabbage and I will be right back, guys. Alright guys, I am back. I have prepped my cabbage and now I am going to start cutting it up and start cooking my cabbage. I finished cutting up my cabbage. I am going to rinse it off. I have a little salt and water in it now. I am going to rinse the cabbage off. And while I'm rinsing the cabbage off, I am going to turn my pan on high. Turn my pan on high, guys. So as I'm rinsing off the cabbage, my pan is warming up. Now I'm going to empty the water. Out of the cabbage. I'm going to start putting my cabbage in the hot pan. As you can hear, the pan is hot. And I have some smoked turkey in the pan already. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to put my seasonings in it. I'm going to start off with my Mrs. Dash, the original Mrs. Dash. Then I'm going to put the garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. And the seasoned salt. Since it's a lot of cabbage, and then the good old granulated garlic. So this is what it looks like in the pan with all the seasonings on it. So now I have a wooden spoon. I am going to stir. Mix all my seasonings up. So now I got all the seasonings mixed up in it. Leave that on high for a little while. Now I'm going to add my mixed peppers. I have red, yellow, green, orange peppers in here. I'm gonna mix all my peppers. And then I have a chopped onion. I'm gonna mix my onion up in here. And I am going to stir it one more time. Mix my peppers and everything up in it. And I'm also going to put some, I already have a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put some more olive oil into the pan. And I'm going to mix it up. Got all the peppers and onions mixed up in it, guys. I am going to let this saute for about, I'm gonna put the top on it and I'm gonna let it saute. I'm going to turn the fire down to a medium high and let it saute for about 20 minutes, and I will be right back, guys. Alright guys, I am back. I still have about 4 minutes on the timer. I let the cabbage saute on a medium high for 20 minutes. I got 3 minutes left. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I had pre-cooked some smoked turkey wings, and I am going to take them out of the liquid that is in, and I am going to put it in the cabbage. I have two turkey wings here, 2 whole turkey wings, and I am going to put it in the cabbage, and I'm going to stir up the cabbage to let that get down into the juice. And it's falling off the bone, guys. And my cabbage will be done. Yeah, so I have cabbage. I got 2 more minutes on the timer. So guys, my cabbage is done. I'm actually going to put the top on for the last 2 minutes. And thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And I still have 2 minutes left on the timer, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. And so my cabbage is pretty much done. I'm just letting, oh, now it's counting down to 59 seconds. But again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Turn on your post notifications so every time I drop a video, you will get notified. And also, I'm going to leave my daughter's YouTube channel in the description box below, and go check her channel out. And you guys have an awesome and great week. I am going to turn the burner off because I have 34 seconds on the clock. And I will see you guys on the next video. Stay blessed. Talk to you soon. Bye.